Yo guys, Hans here, and this is my back to school backpack. And this is a popcorn. Yeah, seriously. It's a popcorn. So what's so special about this backpack is it's from popcorn. Popcorn, yeah. So it's a lightweight backpack that has 6 compartments and a USB charging port. So comparing this to the anti-theft bag that also has a USB charging port, this is more functional and minimal. And plus, this is an affordable backpack for student, business use, and for everyone. So check the link in the description box for more details. So let's move on to the bag. So over the right side here guys, we have our USB charging port. Now the good thing about this USB charging port is it's removable. So this has just a wire here and a zipper. Once you remove that, you can remove the charging port and you can wash your bag. Now that's a good thing. Now you can just place it back again, lock it in place, zip it out, and you're good to go. And over this right side guys, you have the perfect place for your side pocket. Now what I have here is my iPhone charger, and all I have to do is just put this thing down there, and now I can just plug it in and I can charge my phone. Now moving on to the zipper, we have a zipper that is nicely and smooth and it doesn't get stuck. So let's do a stress test about the zippers. Impressive. Alright guys, so moving on the left side, we also have our side pocket that holds a water bottle. So that's a good thing, so you can stay hydrated. Alright guys, so let's see how many items I have on this bag. Now, I have here is my laptop. So we have a space here for a 14 to 15 inch laptop. So you can put your laptop here inside, and also you have a compartment for that. Now next is I have my mouse pad. I have my hard drive, so it's protected by this bag too. And we have my mouse, and of course if it's too hot, I have this fan. And next to that we have our Bluetooth speaker. And what? What's this? What's this? We also have a popcorn. No, not that popcorn. A popcorn power bank. Alright guys, so now let's talk about this popcorn power bank that can charge my devices. Now this has a LED indicator on the front side so you can know your amount of battery left. And this is a 20,800 milliamperes power bank. Now you can charge your iPhones, you can charge your Android device, and it has an included cable. So this is the cable for that. Now, this is a micro USB cable that you can charge your regular Android phone if it's not a USB Type-C yet. You can charge it. So, and if you want to charge your Android or your iPhone devices, you have a lightning cable adapter here. So all you have to do is just put it there and you have that adapter. Now you can charge your iPhone devices or Apple devices, and there you go. And did I mention it's just that thin? So it's very portable. Alright guys, so this is our popcorn power bank and bag. And it's about to rain now and I have to go. So subscribe, like, comment. Let me know how many items I have here on my bag. It's really raining now. So see you in the next one. And thanks for watching. Bye.
fingers.